my way to my favorite fishing hole, thinking I could sure use another bottle of booze. My bait's running a little low. The box of 12 gauge would be all the rage, and I'm liquored up, I'm feeling good. Right down the road, there's a place called Bubba's. Boy, he's got the goods. And the sign says beer, bait, ammo, yeah, he's got everything in between. Got anything any old beer drinking, hell raising, bona fide redneck needs. Got your fishing hooks, your dirty books, got your rubber flag on the wall. Beer, bait, and ammo, yeah, you ask me, he's got it all. And I walked in, couldn't even begin to describe what I had smelled. Was it the catfish bait or something Bubba had ate? Was it the deviled eggs on the shelf? With a toothless grin, he said, boy, come on in, make yourself right at home. Said, no, thank you, man. The 12-pack of cans and good to go. And the sign says beer, bait, ammo, yeah, he's got everything in between. Got anything any old beer drinking, hell raising, bona fide redneck needs. Got your fishing hooks, your dirty books, he's got your rubber flag on the wall. Beer, bait, and ammo, yeah, you ask me, he's got it all.